I have my old wiper blades here. They're not working properly. I'm going to see if we can fix those using this. It's just a cheap it have a blade, so you pass through the wiper blade here and it cuts a very fine line. So I'll check you before and after. It's difficult to focus, but there are streaks of line here. I can't focus it properly, but we'll see. This is better where you can see the streaks of line here, so we can check, compare how it looks after it. I wanted to show you guys a close-up look. So this is what it looks like. You can see the grooves here, and there's a simple blade in it. If I push it, see, very simple blade. So you pass the wiper blade through here, it will cut a thin line. This is the old one that I took it off from car. It looks pretty sharp though. I don't see any bumps. Probably it's like microscopic problem. So we'll see when I take this through it how it works. Okay, so I have put it here, so let's see how it goes. So it cut a very fine line, and we'll check it outside, the results, how it is. I'll cut this little part here manually. I'll do this for second one here. Here's the second one. Here you go. It cut the other one, so we'll check it how it works outside. So this is after. You can see there are still these streaks. These are the new one, and on top it's clear. So I think you have to cut it pretty clean. So it's a kind of fail. I don't think it's a pass. So just good for information.